I was in Murewa in a Roman Catholic church, sitting in a pew like any other congregant. An old soldier, a war veteran, a Roman Catholic attending Saturday Mass. I have done for most of my adult life, and I watched General Constantino Chiwenga stand before that congregation and speak. Sanamina Mashukwatu retired Skauke Mapranga and over subscribe or like on the bell icon. Chipina Branyana Chiti. I was there. I heard it with my own ears. I am not reporting what someone told me. I am not relaying a second-hand account. I sat in that church in Murewa this morning and I listened to the Vice President of the Republic of Zimbabwe tell the full story of King Hezekiah, and I understood every word, not just as a Catholic, as a soldier, as a Zimbabwean who has watched this country for 6 decades. A king thought his time was up, who demanded more, who received it, and whose extra years brought war, suffering, and consequences that his nation, not he himself, needed to be. When I witnessed in that church, today was not a sermon, it was a warning. I left that church in Murewa with the one obligation to say plainly, in the language of a soldier rather than the language of scripture, what General Chiwenga said carefully in the language of faith. Let me now do that, without metaphor, without diplomatic softening, without the careful language of a man who is protecting himself from consequences. I am 75 years old. I am a Roman Catholic. I have nothing to protect. I have everything to say. Those pushing for Cap 3 hear me clearly. You are not dealing with a political opposition. You are not dealing with NGOs funded from outside. You are not dealing with the Twitter activists and the diaspora noise. You are not dealing with a weakened MDC or a fragmented civic society that can be arrested into silence. You are dealing with the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, and the Zimbabwe Defense Forces do not forget, they do not tire, and they do not stop. I want to be constitutionally precise about what I mean, because precision matters, and because I will not give anyone the certification of misquoting me. Section 212 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe mandates the Zimbabwe Defense Forces to uphold this constitution, not to obey it, not to file it in a cabinet and hope that parliament respects it. Noma developments anobura pangwa ino sema warnings achipiwa unezvikananda pina kuna section mandates of email to the council which you got each. So subscribe or like up and turn the bell icon.